So we got some work to do today and tomorrow. But first, the show truck is cramping our style. So let's start it up and get it out of the way. Don't mind my flat tire. It leaks down really slow over time. I'm sure there's nothing wrong with it. Listen, I know 285 wheelbase isn't the longest thing in the world, but we can't go around this way if we can only go under. We might can squeeze by through here. So as you can see, red motor, right? Yeah. Old 04 ISX. You know, scary motor, but guess what? It's got 60,000 on an out of frame with paperwork. All right. So what do you think? Should we keep it or should we sell it? Or should we keep it? Or should we sell it and fix it up? So, should we just keep it? I don't know. What would you drive if you sold it? This is the part when all the oil is draining and you're waiting. You could be greasing it and doing the whole greasing thing. And that's like the worst part. God, I hate that. So we went off on a little side quest and got my hair cut, but we're back. But now we might be going on another side quest. Got the oil filter change, everything over here. Still got to do the fuel filters and grease. But I got to come tomorrow anyway, so let's do something fun. What kind of tarp job is that? Side quest number 18, we got to help him with his tarp. He didn't have any tarp straps when he went and loaded. He had to borrow a trailer, and that's why it's like that. So I bought this truck right here, this King Ranch, as kind of just a project truck. It's a high mileage 6.2 gasser, nothing fancy. And I've thought about fixing it up and just having it just for whatever. For some reason, whoever owned it before me stuck all this cheap chrome all over it. I've got most of it off, but we still got the mirrors to deal with. But either way, I run this work truck every day, and it's got these wide 22s on it. Same year truck, same motor, same everything. So I'm going to swap the wheels and tires. Might like it, might not, but let's do it. OSHA approved. We've got to swap the hubcaps. We're taking this bull bar off too. More better. We'll get the brackets later. This is where my phone connects to my truck and you hear nothing that I'm saying. I don't have a strong opinion on what I've done here. What do y'all think? They're both clean. They're both cool. I think the running boards on the King Ranch here should go on the wide truck, but I don't know if they'll fit. What do y'all think? Thanks for watching.